वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट मैथ मेंटलिस्ट. सो मैं करता क्या हूँ उसको एक छोटी सी एक झलक दे देता हूँ एंड देन आई विल प्रोसीड समथिंग. सर यू हैव अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल स्माइल. कैन यू गिव मी अ नंबर बिटवीन 1 and 9 ऑफ योर चॉइस प्लीज? या प्लीज. 7. Sir, can I have one more number? 0 is also a number. So give me one more number. So he has given me 7. What number would you like to give me? 2. So right now we created the number which is 7 and 2, 72. Under 10 seconds what I can do, and one of my kids, जिनको मैं सिखा रहा हूँ ये, वो next month एक world record तोड़ने जा रहा है इसी में. So I'm just giving you a glimpse. So when you see that boy, grade 4th में विराज है, कैसे तोड़ेगा उसका glimpse दे रहा हूँ. So 72 under 10 seconds. I'm going to try. Let's see if I can do it or not. I have a marker, so maybe I'll take 15 seconds. So when I say go, give me a counting of 15, okay? So, go. वो कौन है ये इतनी तेज तेज चल रहा है भाई? Just I guess I have done it. Let's see this. ये legendary Shakuntala Devi भी करती थी, which is 52 and 11. If you'll do 52 and 11, anyone? It is 63. 63, 5 and 4 will be 73. Even 1, 8, 10, 19 plus 53 is again 73. 12, 51, 3 and 6 is again 73. Even 7, 2, 54 and 9 is also 73. So all the rows, all the columns and even both the diagonals, they will add up to what? 73, a number which was given to me right now on the spot. However, please do not clap for me right now because मैं कुछ ज़्यादा आपके लिए करूँगा, because if Shakuntala Devi भी करती थी, all the rows, columns and the diagonal, the legendary, अगर मैं उतना ही करूंगा तो वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड कैसे टूटेगा? I'll tell you how. Even if you take the first 4 numbers or the second 4 number or the third or the fourth or the middle 4 number, they will also add up to what? A number which was given to me right now on the spot. We can do it. 51, 10, 61, 61 and 8. करके देख लीजिए 69 and plus 3, it again 72. I will not stop here because I need lots of appreciation, love and applauses because that fuels up my passion. So, अगर हम top 2 number ले ले, which is 1 and 12, इसका corresponding bottom 2, which is 53 and 6. So 53, 6, 59, 59 and 1 is 60, 60 plus 12 is again 72. Even if you take 5 and 11 or 54 and 2, it is also again 72, a number which was given to me right now on the spot. Not just that, even if you take 1 and 11 और इसका corresponding 54 and 6 करके देख लीजिए. 54, 6, 60, 61, 61 and 11 is again 72. The best part here is that even if you add the 4 corners, which is 52, 4, 9 and 7, they will also add up to. Imagine grade 4th kid next month is gonna do it, और मैंने तो सिर्फ यहाँ 48 ways से किया है, वो 108 ways से. You'll give any number from negative infinity to positive infinity, he will be able to crack it. However, ये तो बात हो गई कि I am the math mentalist. लेकिन ये mentalist वाले पार्ट पे आते हैं. मैम, can we have you on stage please? Please मेरा साथ दीजिए. And I will need one more person. A person, मुझे एक ऐसा इंसान चाहिए जो honest, truthful, just and fair हो. I need somebody who believes कि बुरा वक्त ही जिंदगी का सबसे अच्छा वक्त है बेहतरीन वक्त की तैयारी के लिए. मुझे एक ऐसा व्यक्ति चाहिए जो विश्वास करता है कि लोहा जितना तपता है वो उतनी ताकत भरता है, हीरे में जितनी धार लगे वो उतना खूब चमकता है, सूरज जैसा बनना है तो सूरज जैसा जलना होगा, नदियों सा आदर पाना है तो पर्वत छोड़ निकलना होगा, और सबसे बड़ी बात, हर संकट का हल होगा वो आज नहीं तो. मुझे एक ऐसा इंसान चाहिए. अगर आप जानते हैं यहां एक ऐसा ऑप्टिमिस्टिक इंसान है तो खुद ही हैंड रेस करके आ जाओ. अदरवाइज आई एम गोना गेज एंड आई एम गोना फाइंड दैट पर्सन. ओ माय गॉड, यू लुक वेरी हैंडसम मैन. कैन आई हैव द हैंडसम बॉय हियर? या प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज. मतलब पूरे आप सबको जब मैंने देखा, गिव अ बिग 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 राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज तभी आएगा वो ऐसे नहीं आते, हैंडसम लोग ऐसे नहीं आते, राइट? हैंडसम लोग कहते हैं कि मुझे बहुत तालियां चाहिए, मुझे बहुत ज्यादा अप्लॉजेस चाहिए, है ना, तभी मैं आऊंगा और ये आगे। व्हाट्स योर नेम बडी? यश। एंड मैम?
Ankur.
अंकुर।
That's right.
Okay, that's a very nice name, Ankur.
Not something that I've heard very often, but I would like to believe you.
Perfect, perfect. So what we are going to do is, since I'm falling short of time, I have another event to perform. But then there's a difference between a magician and a mentalist. I have cards here, numbered 1 to 10. You can check. A magician will say, choose a card. A mentalist will hand over the card. A mentalist will say, and then they are numbered from 1 to 10. And also the astrological meanings are written. I don't care about the astrological meaning, Yash. I only care about the numbers. Whichever number excites you, I want you to take out that card, उसे इस envelope में छुपाना और envelope को भी अपने हाथों के बीच में रख लेना, so that I can't see anything and I will step slightly ahead. Just to tell you, मेरी एक पीछे भी आंख है. So make sure तुम छुप के एक कार्ड इस envelope के अंदर डालोगे, right? And once you have done that, the envelope should be in your hand like that, so that I can't see anything, right? Give the remaining cards to Ankur. And ma'am, you're gonna do the same thing. I'll give you the envelope. जो remaining cards होंगे उसमें से भी आप एक number लोगे and you're gonna hold the envelope in your hand. और फिर भी remaining जो बच जाएंगे, you'll just मेरे पॉकेट पे डाल दीजिएगा, so that I know. Now I am here, and let's see whether I can read their minds or not. Yash, are you done? Ankur ma'am, you can take your time. Take one number you like, put it inside the envelope in your hand, and remaining cards जो आज आपको नहीं चाहिए वो या तो मेरे पॉकेट में डाल दीजिए या फिर कहीं और रख दीजिए. I don't care. Once you are done, tap me on my shoulder. So I can turn, right? So Ankur, your hand, वो number आपके hands के बीच में है. Put your hand like that, Ankur. Sorry, Yash, ऐसे 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 कर लो अपना हाथ. मुझे कुछ दिखेगा नहीं. Yash, मेरे साइड देखो. When I say go, think of this number, that's it. Can you do that? Go. Now look at his face and especially the smile this boy has. You know what? One of the most beautiful smile I have seen today. इसकी pointed nose देखिएगा, साथ में इसके ear lobes देखिएगा. That tells me one thing about him is that he is a kind of a person who would say that most ideas never work until you make sure they do. साथ में मुझे ये भी दिख रहा है कि तुम शायद कोई चेंज लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, बिकॉज ऐसे लोग थोड़े से तेजस्वी भी बहुत होते हैं. थोड़ा सा माथा अगर तुम्हारा और ब्रॉड होता तो आई वुड हैव सेड कि तुम शायद यू वुड हैव किल्ड समथिंग एक्साइटिंग यू वुड हैव डन, बट देन ऐसा नहीं कि अभी भी नहीं करोगे. गिव मी अ हग इफ आई एम राइट. अ पर्सन लाइक यू when was going through the entire number of cards, he was confused between two numbers. He didn't take number 9. He should have taken number 9. I am clueless क्योंकि जब मैंने तुम्हें देखा था मुझे था कि तुम number 9 ही लोगे. But then give me a high five and give me a hug so that they know I'm right. I'm always right. You should go with number 5. Can we show it to everybody? Number 5. Take the seat. It's just the warm up. Although आज मेरे पास ज़्यादा समय नहीं है, but then मैं तो भी कोशिश करूँगा आपको कुछ दिखाने की. Please, in your hand like that. When I say go again, think of this number. Do not bluff because अब आप देख चुके हो कि कैसे मैं करता हूँ. तो you will try to bluff. This is always ये होता ही है मेरे साथ. But if you'll make my life difficult, obviously I'll look very bad in front of the audience, right? Don't make me do that, please. Now think. Ankur, look that side. Ankur, this time I will not even ask anything. When I was trying to talk to him, I was trying to get the number out from it. He didn't even know while I was talking, he was giving me cues. In your case, I don't even have to do that.
And why is that?
She says, why is that? Because I know the number you picked is number 3. Is it number 3? Can you show it to the audience as well? Perfect. Can you take it's just the start? I'll take this. Sit here, sit here, sit here. Okay, okay, okay. Now, observe everything which happens around, okay? Observe everything. You also observe everything which happens around you, okay? Close your eyes. I don't know if people know, but shadow खतरनाक होती है. If you felt a touch or a tap, raise your left hand. Hands down. Show of fingers से बताओ how many times you felt the touch. Hands down. Point to the shoulder where you felt the touch. Ankur and Yash, open your eyes. I was touching you every time and you felt it, right? Great, which is perfect. Sounds good, sounds good. Let me do one more thing. Or even better. Buddy. अपना हाथ दो, देखना मत, दूसरा हाथ दो, रख लो. There's a locket I've given him. If a connection has been established, then something incredible should happen now. Ma'am, or Yash, animals are there like cat and dogs and things like that. If I ask you to name an animal, what animal would you name? Tiger, okay. Ma'am. No, you have to give me a number. So you said tiger, and it's completely free choice. हम आज से पहले कभी मिले तो नहीं हैं, उनको लगेगा, हाँ? कभी ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ कि मैंने तुम्हें कुछ बोला हो यहाँ बोलने के लिए, सब फ्री चॉइस चल रही है. मैम, give me a number from 1 to 100 of your choice. Any number.
11.
11. Why 11? There has to be a reason.
That's the number.
You can't just say 11 like that.
That's the number that came to my mind.
Right now on the spot, it came to your mind. Did we meet? Have we spoken? I must have told you to say 11. And you said tiger. Can I have the mic, please? Give it to ma'am. Yash, I've given you my locket. दोनों साइड कुछ लिखा है. एक साइड एक नंबर एंग्रेव्ड है और एक साइड मैंने कुछ लिखा है विद अ मार्कर. यू आर द आईज ऑफ द ऑडियंस. यश, एक एक करके दोनों साइड आप दिखाओगे जब मैं बोलूँगा और आप लाउडली ऑडियंस को बोलोगे उस लॉकेट पे क्या लिखा है. यश, शो द फर्स्ट साइड. व्हाट डज इट से?
Tiger.
शो इट टू द ऑडियंस एज वेल. व्हाट डज इट से? मार्कर से मैंने लिखा है. यू कुड हैव सेड एनी. शो द अदर साइड एंड लाउडली बताओ क्या लिखा है.
11.
Everybody, tiger and number 11. Thank you so much. I am the math mentalist. You all have a lovely day. Thank you so very much.